Hi guys, it's wee Mark here and we're out on a beautiful Bumble. Right guys, we're here at the bottom of the Cairn O Mount. That is the Clattering Brig Restaurant. It's currently closed. Not for good. Apparently the folk who own it are going to be totally revamping it. So, it will open at some point. I don't know if it'll be this year. Lovely stream going down here at the bottom of the Cairn O Mount. Now off to my right there is Drumtochty Glen. I was going to come up that way, but I decided, because what I want to do might make the video a bit alongside. Now we're about 2 miles to the top of the Cairn O Mount, which obviously is up that road. It's a bit of a tight corner, so you have to keep left in this road. Anyhows, on the way, Cairn O Mount is 1,493 feet, which is 455 metres. Now, off to our left, which is over here, is a hill called Clachtnaben, which is 1,932 feet, which equates to 589 metres. Now, you can easily spot it because on the top is like a granite, it's crowned with a granite tor, which stands about 15 metres. So basically, you can't really miss it. You'll know, hey, that's Clachtnaben. Now, we are on our way to the old bridge of Dye, which dates back to 1860. So we will go there, and it's one of the oldest bridges in Scotland. So let's get on Bumble and let's head there. Now, next to the bridge, there is actually 2 old pillboxes, guys. So we're just going to go up over the Cairn O Mount, visit the bridge and visit these 2 hidden, well, they're not, one's kind of hidden, but the other one's visible on the road. So let's go. Let's go faster. Well, not faster, we'll take our time. It was a bit of a hazy day, but the sun is burning through it. So let's go. As you can see, it's a 16% hill. Get the visor down for the bugs. See how tight it is here, so if you're not accustomed to it, guys, easy meet a car on it and give you a bit of a scare. Unfortunately, we can't see too much with the bracken because it's growing like a banshee. So let's just go up here. We're just going to take our time and let you enjoy it. Creak him in 4th gear, maybe. So yeah, yesterday was overcast, so I didn't get out. The old ruin there. I remember having a picnic there when I was a kid. I've got a picture somewhere, well, in the photo books. If I go through the photo books and I can find it, I might take a photo in my phone and put it up. But if I haven't, then I haven't found it. Is that a deal? So green, is it? Purple accents of the heather, guys, beautiful. So you can see people up at the watchers. It's probably just a dot on the camera, just up there. Nothing behind me, so we'll just put her down a gear. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic use this road, guys, because it's a sort of shortcut from Aberdeenshire south towards Lawrencekirk, guys. We were able to hold, I'll just put it down a second just to take our time around here. It's a bit hazy still ahead over by the coast, guys, so you're not going to see much. But I always got to go, no, a heap of bikers in there. Whoa, balloons and everything. I would go in and say hello normally, but because we've got the film on, I'll be a ignorant sod and they'll be thinking, is he not speaking? So this is the highest point here, and you can see there's a cairn just there, pass into the hill, and we've come down the other side. So that would be Clattering Brig ahead, guys, with a 15-metre tor on the top of it. Wind farms over to my right. The last time I came over here it was a touch windy, but it's not too bad today. I thought there'd be a bit of wind noise off the sea, but it's okay. Can pick up a bit of speed here. Whoa! It's a birdie. I think the rest of the week's looking promising, so if it is, we'll hopefully get out again tomorrow. I personally wouldn't like to tow a caravan over here. I did get on Google Maps and map from the top of the Cairn O Mount to this bridge. I can't remember now what it says, guys. 6.8 mile or something, I think. But it's not too far, but good urban camp in there. Yeah, so you can see Clattering Brig there. You can see what I mean by a 15-metre sort of granite tor, can't you? Quite majestic, isn't it? So I better keep dibs in the mirror, make sure nobody's catching me. We're going to go down another gradient. This one's 14%. There was quite a bit of gravel in some of the corners the other day I come round, guys, so oh, the last one waved. I'm still going to wave, guys, I just think it's polite. So this isn't the bridge I die, this is just an old bridge. I did look it up, I don't know if it's got a name. And they've got an old ruin just to the left there. Somebody's maybe visiting it. So basically now we're on the Banchory side of the Cairn O Mount. So with the day being the way that it is, I think there'll be a lot of people on this road today. Because you get white van man fleeing on, as you can see. It's actually windier down this side than it was on the top. It's maybe just swirling through the trees because you would actually think you'd be quite sheltered. Lovely stone dikes. A dike is a wall, guys. Stone built wall, a dike. And used to get people that specialised in doing it, dry stone dikers. Now I do believe that's us just here, guys, so I'm going to take this next left, Snowgate, and behind me, so we're okay. See if I get up. I'll get up the visor, guys, so watch out for the gravel mark, why? So we'll just, now this would have been the old road. Oh, a lovely tree. So this is the bridge here, guys. What do you think? And you can see the lorry, that's the main road. So we'll just quietly go over the bridge. We'll stop at the top here. So you can see there's a stream. And we will just park the bike here. In fact, what we'll do is we'll turn it around. Sorry, I'm not an off-roader. And we'll just park it next to the bridge, okay? And then we'll take some right. So that's us. Well, let's have a look over the side. So there's the water. I'll put it up in the description. And the old bridge. Let's get the gloves off, guys. Just leave it there. What a massive tree that is. Look at it. Wowzer. Hey. So you can see the bridge there. Old Bridge of Dye. Could nearly get down there and steep my feet. Right, I better just take the keys just in case on my phone. And as you can see, that's the new bridge just there. I have no idea when it was actually built. I did look, but I couldn't see it. Now we're in Bridge of Dye Estate, and I believe over the road there's some rentals that you can stay in. It's quite a big estate, and a private estate through that blue gates there. There is the hidden pillbox. It's made with granite, and I believe it's got an iron corrugated sort of roof on it. I'm not going to try and climb this wall at the moment. There is a doorway there, but there's a fence on the main road, so I think you're easiest access, guys. I'm not feeling nimble today because my hips are touching the sore side, but you could jump the wall and you can see you'd get in there and have a wee look. But what we'll do is we'll look in the windows, or the turrets, if there is one at this side. There we go, one here. Don't know if you'll see much. The doorway just there. There's another one just here. Don't know if the camera picks up any light. So you can see that it's got a flat kind of roof, and it's kind of well sheltered. And there's another turret there. So it's just camouflaged into the backdrop, basically, guys, isn't it? How beautiful is that? Right. And right across the main road, there's a second one. So, I mean, you actually pass it. Blink and you miss it. So remember the Tufty Club? The green code. And there's this one. So have a wee look in here. Fantastic. There's a gate here. The doorway. It's old-fashioned latch. So let's go in and have a look. Don't know if so there's the windows, and as you can see, it's like a corrugated iron roof with grass on it. Don't know what all that is down there. Just rubbish. It's a pity we couldn't clean this out. Leaves and that. Bird's nest, is it in there? So you can see, I mean, it's apart from that, it's fairly dry. You know, and you would get a look out there and here for any Germans coming over the Cairn O Mountain down. So, yeah. Let's get back, because I'm aware that you're kind of in somebody's land, so we'll lock a gate. So, as you can see, it's got a grass sort of roof, and it's well hidden with moss, and it's kind of granite built as opposed to precast concrete. And check the road, Glendy Lodge, and there's the bridge with Bumble. So let's just go back and we'll have another look at the bridge. And then we can end the film there for you. So, if you come over the Cairn O Mount, guys, you can stop here and have a wee look. Because it is, I mean, it's well hidden, and I believe, I mean, this would have been the old road back in the day. I did think I could carry on up there, but with the leaves and that, I'm not brave enough. Bruce, you would do it, I know that. So, yeah, I feel a bit more nimble in the legs. We'll certainly have a look in there. But we'll get back to the bike. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I know I did. You can just see we've got a nice look at this tree and, you know, the curvature of the bridge. It's really nice. Really nice. I'll just pause and let you see it. Tranquil with the water going by. There's a rock over there in the middle. You could certainly get out onto that and just, oh, I might do that. I've actually got my microfiber towel with me. Get the feet dipped in the water. I can dry them afterwards. So why don't we just walk over to the pulpit and get a second look. Do this side first, will we? Somebody's house there, so you can see, I mean, it's quite a structure. You know, quite a structure. There's that massive tree. Look at it. It's huge. I wonder if that's like a drain hole in the wall up there with the... Who knows? It's just covered in moss. You can see the new one there in the water. How majestic. There you go. Bridge of Dye. Dates from 1670, I believe. And there's a Bumble. So, what we'll do is we'll end it here, guys. So, bye-bye.